Sorry, I was performing an Angel Zombie Ritual the third. So, I have a story. Not now. So, there's a story. Me in my young age, I was cool. Just kidding. We had to fight zombies. Wouldn't you shut up out there? Shut up.
Pepper spray.
Okay, let's go into my flashback. Whoa! Oh, jeez. Oh, God, he's having another flashback.
Oh no.
This is the 5th time this week.
So I saw a super hot zombie and he was like,
Hey, guys, I found... What did you do?
Got food for all of us.
There's a supply closet right there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Hey, one thing, that's the first sign of being a zombie. And the next sign is getting really hot. And the 3rd sign is sweating. And the 4th sign is spazzing. Jesus, zombie, hand me the knife.
I'm kidding! I'm just kidding. It's just getting really hot in here. Just kidding.
Stop.
You guys have the heater on it. It's okay. You killed her?
Yeah.
Really? Oh my god. Oh, I'm tired. I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Jay, there's a zombie.
Sure.
Jay.
No, don't make me have bad dreams. No.
Jay. Wait, I'm guessing it's just like a fly.
What is that thing?
A zombie. Didn't even hear the news. I mean, sure, it was
No,
channel.
I was spazzing out.
Whatever. We'll get more.
Hey, didn't that zombie look like T? Like, where is he anyways?
Oh, I got a picture of the zombie.
Oh my god, why is it hairy?
Sorry, that's my mom. Wrong picture.
Oh, yeah.
Here it is.
That's T. T was a zombie.
Or he smeared ketchup on his face. Let's go find out.
That boy sure does like ketchup.
That kid has problems. Let's go find out.
Okay.
We're gonna find out the truth, if that was really T
Yeah,
or
or
a
if
zombie.
it's ketchup. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're going outside right now. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared to open the door. I'm gonna.
Oh my god.
Here we go. 5, 4.
Just get on
Oh,
with it.
okay.
Get back. Come here, lay the camera down. Gotta get evidence, we gotta get evidence.
There's so much blood. Oh my god.
I know what you are, fiend.
Wait. That's ketchup.
Wait, are zombies supposed to talk? Oh my god.
Oh wait, they're not. It's tea.
Let's take the body inside.
Whoa, what happened?
He's zombie! Jay! We already went over this. He's not a zombie.
I know, but he pretended to be, and that kind of freaked me out.
You have a good point.
Oh my god.
What do we do now?
You reminded me so much of Dora in that last scene.
That
you know,
still
right
kind of
there.
creeped me out.
Yeah. You may want to go attack more zombies, even though the only real zombie that appeared was T. Scooby Dooby. Look. It's in the light.
There. Outside.
I'm gonna go kill it.